Today I want to talk about headers and footers while printing. And the easiest way to add custom headers and footers for me is to change view. So on the View tab, we are changing from normal view to page layout view. And now we can see how our page from worksheet will look while printing. And we can see we have here header. And when we click on the header and footer tab should appear, and we can add here predefined header and footer. Add predefined header and footer, and I like in my footer the third one, so page 1 of question mark. It means in a footer I will get page 1 of 4 because my worksheet is 4 pages long when I will be printing it. So I know which page from all of the pages I'm printing. And this is important that now I see the text, but when I click on the footer, I will see the codes that Excel use to print the actual page number and all pages number. So this ampersand and proper word in square brackets means something about what will be printed. And we can also in header and footer, for example, let's use header of this one because we can see here commas. It means this predefined header will be in different positions. So we can have left header, center header, and right header. And this predefined header have just one word in the left header is confidential, and we can change it. So I can write something like I love Excel. In the central header I have just code for current date, and in the right header I have word page and the code to write current page, but I already have it in the footer, so I don't need this. So let's write something this worksheet, and I can write this, and I can even add new line, and I want to add something special here. I want to add my sheet name. So in the header and footer we can see these all commands that are putting this special code in our headers and footers. So I have here page number, number of all pages, current date, current time, file path, file name, sheet name, and we can even put picture and format our picture. I need just sheet name here, so it's ampersand and tab in square brackets, and I can see the all information I want. And on header footer tab we can go, if I am in the header I can go to footer quickly, and to header if I am in the footer. And the two checkboxes that are important when we want different headers and footers for different page. So we can have different first page, and now I can see we are seeing here first page header, and we can have different odds and even pages. So now I have the first page is odd page, and the second page is empty because I didn't write anything for even pages now, but it's less important for me now, so I will just uncheck those checkboxes. But you should know there is a possibility to different our headers and footer depending of the page is even or odd. And we can now go Ctrl P to see our page on the print menu. We can see the different page numbers, and the header is basically the same for all pages.